So guys, Mark here at Wired Kustoms Motorsports. We have a customer that came to us last week. Have a 1993 Chevrolet truck. You may or may not know, but this is the truck where the stereo was right by the steering column. And then if you add an aftermarket, it now goes in the center of the dash, and there's really no way to stick a double DIN screen in due to space. Customer really wanted a backup camera. What we ended up doing was choosing a standalone camera screen from EchoMaster and added a camera on his license plate. I'm going to take you guys out there and let's go check it out. Since we have his keys, we can get that completed, and let's walk out here. This is what I was trying to describe earlier. This is where the factory radio is supposed to go, and then when you add an aftermarket, it now goes over here. There's a harness that pulls everything over. So let's start her up. Well, actually, we're going to stay in accessory mode here. It's going to power the screen, and we might have to have it started. All right, we're gonna start the truck. There we go. The screen is very clear. It might not appear like that in this video because we're recording a screen, and as you may know, it will sometimes look like it has lines in it. However, there's no lines in it at all. So he's got a Sony stereo. This is what we stuck in there. It has CD player, Bluetooth, USB. This is the AX, or it's the MEX 5300 Bluetooth option. So he can watch the screen at all times. Instead of hooking it to the reverse trigger, he wanted to always be able to look at it whenever the key was on. If he doesn't want the screen on, he'll just hit the power button, and in about 10 seconds it will turn off. Thanks, guys. Stereo. Backup camera. Backup camera for the hitch. Let's see. If the keys were in here, I'd turn it on for you guys.